What's going on, guys? So in today's episode we're going to be installing the Boomba Racing shifter bushings and adjusting the e-brake. I never adjusted it when I did the conversion in the back, so now's the time to do it. First, we're going to go ahead and remove the center console. We went over that last week with the buddies swap, so we're going to do that and then come back. Alright, so the center console is out. The shifter bushings, these are the ones we're going to go ahead and replace here. But we're going to start with the e-brake adjustment. So it's going to be 13 millimeter. I got a socket and then an open-end wrench for the bottom. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to start out by breaking these two apart. And then go ahead and tighten this one down. Seems pretty good. We go ahead and torque these two back together. And that'll be good for that. Alright. Alright, so on this part, you're going to go ahead and just pop the shifter bushings just up into the side. You just gotta kind of pry it with a lot of force. So they're on there pretty well. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and take the bolts out. Alright, so using an 8mm, go through, take these bolts out. There's one back, two back here that I gotta get. Might need another extension. No. And this one. Right, so next, I got to take these out real quick. That one can stay. There's some spring-loaded there we go. Out and up. And here we are. It's the whole shifter. Alright, let's take this out. Pry these metal bits up first. You just push the rubber out. Get to it. This one's good because you can, it's the deeper one, but they gave us a little access port.
Well, isn't that just thoughtful?
Good guy, Ford. Thinking about you. that one. And it's just the reverse of this. I can see better in there. Just gonna take these in the back, just pulls spring loaded. Alright, so that's locked in. Now we gotta get these. Bottoms. Alright, so you're just gonna slide the bottom ones in like that. That's what I'm trying to avoid. There we go. And the labels, of course, are going to go up. Let's see. This is going to be the fun one. There we go.
Hey, good.
Uh-oh. Did I drop that?
Yeah.
There it is. Alright. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the bolts in. We can go ahead and put our little shifter bushings back on now. Get these going in. Back ones. Kind of a close fit. Tight fit back there. Actually, I can probably take this one off again. There we go. Yeah, that works. Now we're going to pop that one back in. Alright, so here they are. All installed. Let's see. That one was a pain in the butt to get in, but it worked out. So yeah, now all we're going to go and do is install the center console back on, and we're done. This is kind of like a preliminary to getting the Steeda short shifter eventually. All this is really going to do is take it from being, you know, the rubber bushings and getting it into being the little solid mount, so it's going to have a little stiffer feel. Yeah, and let us know what you think. I'm going to drive it around a little bit, see how it is.
Alright, so there you have it. That's going to be the preliminary to the eventual new shifter install. The solid bushings will definitely make it feel a little bit nice and firm, I guess you can call it. So we're going to go ahead and take a drive and test it out. If you've done this install before and you have any other input as to the installation, go ahead and leave us a comment. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit subscribe if it's your first time here and you haven't done so already. So until next time, we will catch you later.